The world saw its largest highly pathogenic avian influenza outbreak in 2022, with its reach now spanning 81 countries and 5 continents. There are established concerns about pigs being infamous so-called viral mixing vessels for new strains of viruses that may achieve sustained human-to-human transmission. There are also established concerns about intensive industrialized animal farming operations being hotbeds of disease. Despite these concerns, new planning applications are still being made regarding the establishment or expansion of existing farming operations. So in this study, we reviewed the most recent evidence for zoonotic influenza risks, i.e. human influenza stemming from non-human animals, that are posed by industrialized pig and poultry farms. One of the most significant findings that we wish to underscore is that concern about so-called mixing vessel host animals should broaden to include further species other than just the domesticated pig, including chickens and humans. Chickens and humans likewise can receive both avian and human influenzas, and notably, global chicken and human populations dwarf that of pigs. Amongst other risk factors noted, we also particularly highlight how the global slaughter of over 70 billion farmed chickens annually necessitates living conditions that pose a three-pronged increase in disease risk. That is increased viral emergence, viral replication, and viral spread. So these living conditions include high stocking densities, deprivation of highly motivated behaviours, and bodily mutilations, all of which heighten stress levels, which can severely compromise animals' immune systems. Breeding regimens also reduce genetic diversity, further decreasing animals' defences.
Most new and emerging human diseases come from animal populations, and of these, viruses, especially influenza viruses, are the most dangerous diseases that people can acquire from animals. Viral transmission and mortality can be very high. So far, there have been 4 major influenza pandemics, which have collectively killed many millions of people. The first 3 came from birds, and the most recent one came from pigs. Intensive animal farms, especially where poultry and pigs are farmed in large numbers at the same property, pose the highest risks. There is exceptionally strong evidence for a link between low animal welfare levels and high disease transmission risks. Animals of low genetic diversity who are crowded together, chronically stressed, in conditions of compromised hygiene, are highly vulnerable to the rapid spread of disease, including to people such as farm or abattoir workers. These environments are fertile breeding grounds for the emergence of new influenza pandemics and other dangerous diseases. To protect both human health and animal welfare, intensive pig and poultry farms should not be permitted at large scale or in close proximity.